Migrating a SharePoint list to another site isn't supported directly by SharePoint. But there are several effective solutions that help. In this video, I'll show you how to migrate a SharePoint list to another site, step by step, without losing data or formatting. So why move a SharePoint list to another site? As a SharePoint admin, there are 4 common reasons. Reorganizing sites after a departmental restructure. Archiving old project data to a dedicated archive site. Moving from a classic site to a modern communication site. And consolidating multiple lists into a central repository. Whatever the reason, the priority is the same. Zero data loss. Let's picture a few real scenarios. Scenario 1. Your department restructures, and its list belongs on a new site. Scenario 2. An old project's data must move to an archive site. Scenario 3. You're retiring a classic site for a modern one. And Scenario 4. Scattered lists need consolidating into one repository. In each case, you need the list to arrive intact, with attachments, metadata, and permissions. Every transition needs clear planning, so follow these pre-migration steps. Make sure you have permissions on both sites, including creating one. Verify full control access on the source and target sites. Check if the list uses custom columns or lookup fields. Confirm the destination site is active and accessible. Find and remove duplicate or irrelevant files to minimize migration time. Enable the list template feature if using the classic experience. Identify whether attachments or version history need to be preserved. Backup SharePoint online to local storage. And test the process on a sample list to avoid data loss. Here's the key point. Microsoft 365 doesn't offer any native tool to migrate a SharePoint list to another site. But there are 5 best solutions. The template method. Export and import in Excel. Power Automate. The SharePoint Migration Tool. And PowerShell. Let's go through each. Open the SharePoint account, and go to List Settings. Under Permissions and Management, click Save List as Template. Check Include Content to keep your data. Save the STP template file. On the destination site, open Site Settings, then List Templates, and upload the file. Finally, create a new list using this template. Open the source SharePoint site, and go to My Lists. Click Export, then export to Excel. Save the file locally. On the destination site, click New, then List. Upload the data from the Excel file. Finally, save the changes. Set a trigger on the source list, when an existing item is modified. Search the destination list to get the item ID. Then apply a condition to check whether the item already exists. Install the PNP PowerShell module. Connect to your source site. Use Get PNP Site Template to extract the lists. Add the data rows to the site template. Connect to the destination site. Then invoke the site template to create the list. Finally, the best solution. Migrate via a cutting-edge tool. Native methods work for basic cases, but they get time-consuming or risky with large lists and attachments. So I highly recommend the SysTools SharePoint Migration Tool. It migrates lists, libraries, attachments, metadata, and permissions. It handles bulk migrations across different sites, or even tenants. It preserves version history and user mapping. And there's no manual scripting or advanced skills needed. First, choose Microsoft 365 as both the source and destination platform. Next, mark the Sites option with Document Library and Generic List, and add a date filter if required. Then enter the admin credentials of both accounts, and click Validate. Now add users, and load your sites into the tool using the Fetch option. Finally, select the site and hit the Start Migration button. Here's the author's verdict. All these solutions are reliable. Pick one based on your situation and migration complexity. But my first preference is the professional utility, because I can't risk data loss with manual methods. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the link in the description. Thanks for watching.